very important question, guys. Are you A or are you B? Okay. A, I want to become an affiliate member. I want to be a part of this amazing company. I love the products. I want to try the products. I love the products. I want to share them with people. And I actually want to invite others to become members too and earn from the commissions. That's great. Very good. We're going to have training. We're going to show you how to set goals, how to work together as a team. We're going to teach you things that you don't know. Or if you do know, you're going to be a part of our leadership and help us teach others to be entrepreneurs, okay? So are you A or are you B? I want to become a free customer. I'm not sure about the business yet, but I definitely want to try these products. Please send me the link so I can, buy these products, okay? So just get back to the person that invited you and just let them know, hey, I'm A, or just say, hey, I'm B. All right. So why become an affiliate member? All right. Well, you get up to 40% product discount. Okay. Now we're already getting a discount when we order the products as customers, but you can get even higher discounts. Okay. If you choose to. All right. And the company's in soft launch. So it just really kind of started. Right. And we all know that when you join something like this in the beginning and you stick with it and you work, put some time into it, effort, who knows? You might be a top leader one day, Obviously, nothing's a guarantee, not even, product results. Everything's going to vary depending on you. And I should mention the products are not for, diagnosing or treating people. Obviously, always check with your, medical professionals first if you can even take them, right? These are the stories we have, and it's our own experiences and results that we're sharing with you. So definitely do your research on that. But guess what, guys? The company has a very unique, simple pay plan, but it's so powerful that it can, and I believe it will create millionaires, guys. So let's take a look real quick how that works, okay? We're going to talk to you real quick about the compensation plan. So how do you become an affiliate member? Well, hopefully you join as a free customer, right? And if you do, then the next thing you just got to do is upgrade to an affiliate member by paying a $30 payment, okay? That's how you become an affiliate member with Healthy New Living. Now, after that, you're going to be placed in a structure called a matrix, okay? And it's going to be in your sponsor's matrix, and your sponsor is the person that invited you to join the opportunity, okay? So these are terms that you got to kind of learn if you don't know. Directs and non-directs. So for example, if I invite you and you join me with my link, you are my direct. And if you invite someone else and they join you, you're their direct. They're your directs, but you would be that person that joined you would be my non-direct. Okay, so these are terms you might not be familiar with, and if you are, great, but we may have people that have never been in MLM or affiliate marketing. They're interested in the products, but maybe also interested in the business. So you got to know these terms, right? Non-direct members come from spills from above, from signups from below, and directs come directly, from the people that we personally recruit. Okay. So again, the comp plan is a structure called a matrix. It's 2x10. And the way it works is on your first level of the matrix, only 2 people fit there. Okay. And no more, just 2. So that means if you find a third person, they will be placed on the 3rd level, okay? On the left side, it's usually from top to bottom, left to right, and it's just gonna be filling up this matrix. And what's gonna happen is that, this is actually pretty cool to know because, like I said, timing is everything. You wanna join soon, not later, because if you join soon, who knows who else is gonna join later? And guess what? Those people that join later are going to eventually end up in the matrix. But if you join before them, well, guess what? You're going to benefit from certain commissions that you could earn if they join later and they're below you, okay? Just keep that in mind. That's why we say timing is very important. So each level, there's a certain amount that fit. And as you can see here on the last level, there's 1,024 spots that fit in that level. So each level has its own, set of numbers, okay? So how do we earn? We earn bonuses in different ways, okay? We have something called a fast start bonus, and we actually have 2 fast start bonuses, okay? A number 1 and a number 2. Maybe later they'll give it a name, right? Fast start bonus number 1, number 2 right there. Then, and that's a one-time payment, okay? Then there's a monthly residual bonus, which is a monthly payment, okay? That's where the residual income comes in, okay? And then we have a matching bonus, which we can explain how that works later on even more. We have a product bonus or commission that we earn when certain individuals order. We get a certain commission from that. And then we also, the company can have even promotions, okay? So there's many ways that we could get paid as an affiliate member, all right? So bonus number 1 works like this. For every direct that joins you, the company will pay you $15 from the $30 that they paid, right? So $15 goes to you. That's your fast start bonus. And this is pretty cool because, I mean, how many $15 payments do you want? And this money is instantly put in your back office of your wallet. And if you have a certain amount, I mean, you can be withdrawing money every single day if you have that enough money in your wallet on your back office, okay? So how many directs do you want? Do you want 2 directs, 4, 10, 20, or 100? It's up to you. And every single time you're gonna be earning that $15 when they first join and when they pay their first month. This is a one-time payment, guys. And then we have fast start bonus number 2. This is a new addition to this comp plan, which is pretty exciting because what this is that we're getting paid now. This is like a pay raise. We're now getting paid another fast start bonus, which is a one-time payment from every single person that joins your 2x10 matrix, whether they are directs or non-directs. You're gonna get paid a certain amount from every single person in your matrix, okay? Your organization. So it could be $1 from all the people on levels 1 through 3. It could be $3 from all the people that joined in your level 4. It could be $1 from all the people that joined from levels 5 through 9, or it could be $4 from all the people that joined on your level 10. And this is a graph right here just to give you an idea of each level, how many people, how much, and the total that they pay you. And the total amount down there that you see would be the total one-time fast start bonus that you would earn in a full matrix 2x10 with a complete, with a lot of people in there, all right? So now let's look at the monthly residual bonus, right? This is where we all want to be in, the monthly. It starts on the 2nd month when your directs and non-directs meet their $30 affiliate business builder requirement, okay? That's what it's called, ABBR. Remember that term, okay? You can make commissions every month from directs and non-directs from levels 1 through 10 in your 2x10 matrix, okay? And this is what it looks like. It's almost the same. It's actually the exact same, graph that I showed you with the fast start bonus number 2. But this right here, the difference is that here it's monthly. It's not just a one time. It's monthly, guys. So every single month, this is what you could be earning if you have a full matrix. And even if you don't have a full matrix, this is just showing you how much you would earn from each level, depending on how many number of members you have, the commissions, and the total earnings, guys. So there's no guarantee of income, right? Results vary and they're based on your performance and work. So obviously, we're gonna be training you and teaching you how this whole thing works and how to invite people. It's not that hard. So now this one is a very important bonus, guys. It's called the matching bonus, okay? Now, some top leaders or full-timers that are out there looking at this to see if this is something they want to promote as far as the business side. Well, let me just mention that maybe the residual monthly doesn't sound, super lucrative for you. I know for me, it sounds great. 5,000 extra part-time. I don't mind. Give it to me every month. But if you're looking to make, more than that, you can. This is where we have the unlimited potential earnings, okay? In the matching bonus, okay? Because you can earn here 50% or 100% matching bonuses from your directs, okay? And these are the qualifications. You just need 2 active directs in your organization to earn 50% matching bonus. But if you can get 2 more and have 4 total, that's it, just 4, you can earn 100% matching bonus from all your directs, okay? So that's pretty exciting. Now let's look at an example. So if you qualify for the 50% matching bonus, let's say one of your directs is earning $5,000. Well, if you qualify, like I said, the company's going to give you $2,500. Okay, this is a matching bonus. Okay, we're talking monthly here. Okay, now if you qualify for the 100% matching bonus, no wait, this is the 50%. I'm jumping ahead of time here. Let's take a look at this one. If they're earning $10,000, well, guess what? You get the 50% of that. That's $5,000 right there. So now we're looking at the 100%. This is where we all want to like focus on all the first people that want to join this business opportunity. This is like the ultimate goal here. 100% matching bonus examples here. If they're earning 5K, then the company's gonna give you 5K. And if they're earning 10 or 20 or 30,000 a month, guess what? From the residuals, guess what? You're gonna earn 100% matching bonus. So this is how it is unlimited, guys. Unlimited potential income, guys. Okay. Now also, we earn 20% commissions instantly on all products ordered by members that join you as free members or direct affiliate members. Okay. So remember that. All the people that join you as free members or directs, when they order products, the company is going to give us 20% commissions instantly. Okay. And then promotions, guys. John or Eva might be feeling really happy and say, guys, we have a contest. Whoever does this and that, and whoever gets chosen or wins, you get an extra product, or you get this commission or bonus. These are promotions, guys. Okay. And this is another way that we can earn from the company. Okay. So I'm very excited about this, guys. Now, when your commissions are $30 or more in your wallet, in your back office, the computer or the company, they're going to lock those $30 to maintain the monthly affiliate business building requirement. Okay. It's called ABBR. Okay. It's the $30 ABBR for you to keep, active, to keep your commissions and to stay in the matrix. Okay. Very important to know this. Now you can pay your monthly ABBR with your credit card or crypto. So if you don't have $30 in your back office as commissions, or you have $20 in commissions or $10 in commissions, you will need to pay the $30 from your credit card or crypto to maintain your monthly ABBR. All right. So you want to withdraw your commissions. You have commissions. We all want to have commissions. And when you do have commissions, the company has chosen PayQuicker, which is a third-party company that sends a Visa card internationally so that we can have our money in a Visa card. And guess what? I've used this Visa card many times, almost every week, for gasoline, for food, for whatever I want, wherever Visa is accepted. Okay. So very convenient. Okay. No paycheck in the mail, no direct deposit, no nonsense. Beautiful Visa card that we get with our commissions sent there. Now you just need 2 active directs to withdraw any commissions. Okay. So the last question here, very important question, guys. Are you A or are you B? Okay. A, I want to become an affiliate member. I want to be a part of this amazing company. I love the products. I want to try the products. I love the products. I want to share them with people. And I actually want to invite others to become members too and earn from the commissions. That's great. Very good. We're going to have training. We're going to show you how to set goals, how to work together as a team. We're going to teach you things that you don't know. Or if you do know, you're going to be a part of our leadership and help us teach others to be entrepreneurs. Okay. So are you A or are you B? I want to become a free customer. I'm not sure about the business yet, but I definitely want to try these products. Please send me the link so I can, buy these products. Okay. So just get back with the person that invited you and just let them know, hey, I'm A, or just say, hey, I'm B. But let them know, because they're ready to help you.